welcome Ford Motor Company Chief Executive Officer, Jim Farley.
You, our customers, are going to get capability no other EV truck can ever offer, but for thousands of dollars less than our competitors' trucks, whenever they actually go on sale. Our truck is here today because we rolled up our sleeves. We rediscovered our roots around innovation. We worked together, and now we're busting our butts to make more of these. Demand for Lightning has literally pushed out the walls of this building where we are twice. Right in the middle of the first expansion, we went right to the team and said, "That's great, but can you make the factory a little bigger?" We've expanded this plant to produce 150,000 Lightnings a year. That's a lot of jobs here in America. And we're not going to stop with this beautiful truck. We will produce 600,000 EVs a year by the end of next year. I wish we could bring you all down there, but we're already pushing dirt down in Blue Oval City in Tennessee for another electric pickup truck that's different than this one.
That's new news today. This is not our only truck. We said very clearly we want to be the leader in electric pickup trucks. Full stop. And so this would be a new truck. I'm not going to go there. Won't go there.
All right. Just, 600,000. Are you referring to electrified or all electric?
All electric. That's battery electric. Yep.
Yeah.
Jim, how many? No, but that won't be coming out at the end of next year. The 600,000 is what we're doing in Europe and the U.S. where this is first generation of products. You heard me talk about F-150 Lightning goes to 150. We're going to bring Mach-E next year to 200,000. We're going to start selling Mach-E's with LFP batteries. We are going to launch a couple electric vehicles in Europe. So just stay tuned.